9, and 10. So now that we have 10 bottles, we can make
a bowling game.
Let's do it! Luca, what do we need?
Okay, we need 10 plastic bottles with tops, a glue stick, some felt tip pens, scissors, some paper, a bowl and a funnel. To fill the bottles, you can use rice, beans, lentils, sand, water, or even small stones.
Okay, so the first thing to do is to fill the bottle to make it heavy.
And now?
Now we have to number it. Cut a piece of paper and write a number on it from 1 to 10. Which one do you want to start with?
Let's start with number 10. It's my lucky number. Finished. Shall I glue it onto the bottle now?
Yes, go ahead. Remember, you need to repeat these steps with 9 more bottles, so you have 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just 2.
Let's count the points. 6 plus 10.
16.
Well done! Have fun making and playing with your own bowling game. Bye-bye! Remember, to make a bowling game, fill 10 bottles to make them heavy. Cut pieces of paper and write the numbers 1 to 10 on them. Glue the numbers onto the bottles. That's it! Now you can play the bowling game.